My name is Simone Obakka. I'm a photojournalist from Finland, and my work has been published in Vasabladet, Hufvudstadsbladet, and the Finnish National Defense. I'm here to help you to learn about what to think in order to avoid stereotyping when you're photographing. So, you shouldn't try to alter what's happening when you're photographing. Photojournalism is about photographing what is happening as it is, not how we want it to be. So, your job is to document what you see and think about if you're doing it in an honest and full way. You cannot fully control how people will see your photographs and they will understand from them. But as a photojournalist, it's still very important to be as clear as you possibly can in order to tell people what you want to say. So you have to figure out what is important in your story. Is it a happy one? Is it a sad one? And it has to match the article as well. So if you have an article that is sad, the subject should also portray that tone. So try to match those if you can. With photography, you can actually also help reduce stereotypes that we have in society by choosing to be inclusive, to portray different kinds of people when you photograph certain events and subjects. Remember to also do some research about the context that you're photographing in order to not enhance these stereotypes. But it's a good measure point to use yourself as that point. So how would I like to be portrayed in this kind of story? And another thing to remember is to also make sure to make your subject at ease when you're photographing them. So be encouraging and let them know that they're doing a great job when you're taking the photograph.
This is Mobile Stories.